Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear fellow, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I am here to talk about an idea inspired by Allama Muhammad Iqbal, becoming a lead fortified wall. In a world full of challenges, conflicts, and confusion, we are not meant to be a weak bricks. We are meant to be a lead fortified wall and strong wall. Have you ever feel that something is changing around the world, but not in a good way? That truth is becoming stronger and confusion is becoming weaker. Sometimes we see what is right. We feel in our heart, yet we hesitate. We stay quiet. We walk away. Let me ask you something. Why does truth feel so difficult to stand for? Because it needs courage, and courage is rare. So, here the question is not what is happening. The real question is who will stand for what is right. Let me ask you another thing. That is a genuine question. That can a person who doubt himself even defend the truth? No, never. Strength begins with himself. It begins when you stop following the crowd and start following and listening to your conscience. So we cannot stand strong even if we are united. If we are empty inside, we cannot stay strong outside. Iqbal also gives us another important message. Don't stay silent. Silent may feel easy, silent may feel safe, but silence in front of wrongs is not a peace. It is surrender. If you see injustice and you say nothing, you are allowing it to grow. So even the smallest action matters. A single voice raised for truth can inspire hundreds. A single step towards what is right can affect someone's life, can change someone's life. So today, I stand here to ask you, not as a speaker, but as a fellow human being. Will we keep watching the world change around us? Or will we rise strong and firm? Because the world doesn't need more followers today. It needs walls, strong walls, unshakable walls, fearless walls, walls that protect truth, walls that do not break. No matter how strong the storm is, you have to stand strong. So, if we believe in ourselves, if we stand strong together, if we act with faith and courage, we can become that lead fortified wall this world desperately needs. And that is how a better future begins. Thank you.
Good job, Zishan. Our next debater is Nilofer. Nilofer है यहाँ पे?